It's really a utility for having this kind of functions. Another utility of these functions are the arbitrary argument lists. So we have some arbitrary here. We'll write multiple items, files, parameter, blah blah blah, file.write. But we won't go into files since we don't. I'm not opening a file. I will go just to this one. So if we concat, for example, just this one. So if we concat like arguments, we want to concat a list of arguments with some separator. Here the separator will be this one. So there is a function in Python which is quite useful. It's called join as well. So it just join around the separator here. So let's say here separator, instead of dot, it will be space. It will be something like this. That must finish. So here we have like a lot. We can have a lot of. We can just give it we do it this way. We can just give it plenty of arguments. We have seen it in a more complicated example before. And this one is explicating it.